early 2000s.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Punta ako sa birthday celebrant ng friends ko guys. So drop ko ni Aaron sa bahay ng kaibigan ko. Dear Jed. Hi. Busy sa kalaro sa games.
Stacked with just like that. Let's see. Yeah, you time the light wrong, it's bad. I want to try to get up there and get over a little bit. Otherwise, we'll have to set a few lights. Let's see, everyone's going so slow. Like, oh, I don't even care. Look at these people stopping at the green light.
Do you remember this necklace? This is 3 pieces, but it's okay. The other one is broken. Maybe this tree is the same or
some of them. They're all white oaks.
Looks like the same, yeah. The one we cut.
Yeah, they're like willow oaks. There's different varieties apparently of willow oaks from what I've been able to find. And you can tell looking at the leaves, right? And then like some have acorns, some don't. The leaves are like the tree we cut down, and then other ones are like the tree that we didn't cut down, but they're both willow oaks from what I've been able to find on Google. But nowhere else in the country, I don't think, has these type of trees. They're very much a South, they're a Central South Texas tree, because I've lived all over the world and all over the U.S. I've never seen trees like this.
Only in here.
Only here. Yeah, I've never seen trees like this. I mean, I grew up with some deer. You know,
there's a deer, my loves.
We had a farm with millions of trees, you know. But each environment has their own trees, right? It's like you get in the Rocky Mountains and places like that, in higher elevations, the trees are pine and like white aspen or aspen trees. They have like a white bark on them, real pretty. But they won't grow down here because it's too hot. These trees, live oaks, right? Live oak is a very common tree down here. And there's all kinds of different types of oak trees. But like those big giant trees that grow kind of all weird.
Wonky.
Yeah, they call those live oaks. And again, I've never seen a tree like that until I got down here. I grew up, we had all kinds of oak trees. Thousands and thousands of oak trees. But there was no such tree like that. And like you look at these live oaks down here and you're like, oh wow, man, that tree must be 100 years old. But it's only like 40 years old because they grow so big so fast. But like where I grew up, you see an oak tree that size, it's probably 120 years old because it would take that long to grow it.
Yeah.
I hate this intersection. So yeah, they're just different. How green it all is because we got some rain the last month.
Yeah. What? Are you done?
Oh, I didn't realize this is actually Selma.
The what?
No, the city that they live in is Selma. It's really small. Look at this person here. See this lady here?
So, nandito na kami guys sa bahay ng kaibigan ko. So,
What time will you guys be back?
Update ko kayo mamaya guys sa party ng kaibigan ko guys. So si bye bye Tajed. Si bye. So ito yun ang bahay ng kaibigan ko guys. So sasama ako sa kanya. So, shout out to my friends, subscribers, Mami Loro, Sisi AG, Lucky One, Esther Pahadura, Flor, Sis Flor, Florinda's Vlog, Mimi Mew, Liza Caps, sino pa ba? Sir Nex Noy, thank you for helping me. To all my subscribers, salamat sa inyong suporta sa akin guys. At maasahan nyo ang support ko sa inyo rin. Salamat at God bless you all. Thank you. And to all my silent viewers, thank you for the support. And update ko kayo mamaya guys. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.